Hello everyone, today let us look into building confidence and self-esteem. What is confidence? Confidence is a feeling of self-assurance and trust in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. It refers to a belief in oneself and the capacity to achieve goals and handle challenges. Confidence allows individuals to take risks, step out of their comfort zone, and tackle challenges positively. Confidence also helps individuals to overcome obstacles and maintain resilience in the face of failure or disappointment. A lack of confidence can lead to insecurity, self-doubt, and avoidance of challenges and opportunities. Building and maintaining confidence requires a combination of self-awareness, positive self-talk, and developing skills and abilities. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem refers to an individual's overall evaluation of their worth and abilities. It is the measure of one's self-respect and self-worth, and it affects how an individual perceives themselves and their ability to handle challenges and difficult situations. High self-esteem means a person has a positive view of themselves and their abilities. In contrast, low self-esteem means an individual has a negative view of themselves and their abilities. Various factors can shape self-esteem, including childhood experiences, family relationships, cultural values, and personal achievements and failures. Individuals need to have a healthy level of self-esteem as it can impact their mental and emotional well-being, as well as their relationships and overall life satisfaction. Lack of confidence and self-esteem can seriously affect their personal and professional lives. Some common effects include: a lack of confidence can lead to insecurity and anxiety in social situations. People who lack confidence may avoid new experiences and opportunities, limiting their potential for growth and success. Without confidence, people may hesitate to make decisions and may opt for safer, less fulfilling choices. Lack of confidence can lead to problems, as people may struggle to assert themselves or communicate effectively with others. People with low self-esteem may have a negative self-image and view themselves as unworthy or unlovable. How can we build confidence and self-esteem? Building confidence and self-esteem take time and effort, but it can be done through the following steps. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Understanding your strengths and areas for improvement can help you focus your efforts and boost your self-esteem. Set achievable goals. Accomplishing small tasks can help build confidence and a sense of self-worth. Start with simple goals and gradually build up to more challenging ones. Practice self-care. Engaging in activities that promote physical and emotional well-being, such as exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness, can help boost confidence and self-esteem. Surround yourself with positive people. Being supportive and encouraging people can help boost confidence and self-esteem and limit negative self-talk. Challenge negative self-talk. Becoming aware of negative thoughts and replacing them with positive affirmations can help improve self-esteem and boost confidence. Take risks. Trying new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone can help build confidence and self-esteem and provide opportunities for personal growth. Seek support. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can help support and provide guidance as you build confidence and self-esteem. Building confidence and self-esteem are gradual, and everyone's journey is unique. Be patient and kind to yourself and celebrate your successes. Building confidence and self-esteem involve identifying your strengths and weaknesses, setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, surrounding yourself with positive people, challenging negative self-talk, taking risks, and seeking support. It's a gradual process that requires patience and self-compassion and can result in improved self-worth and a more positive outlook on life. I hope that with the right way to build confidence and self-esteem, you can create a more fulfilling life, and thanks for watching this video.